Guys, in this video I want to show you how to add your mobile number to your Snapchat account in 2026. Okay, step 1, open Snapchat. After open Snapchat, click your profile. After click your profile, click setting option. After click your setting option, scroll down, click your mobile number option. Okay, click mobile number option, and you can set up a new mobile number. For example, you select your country and search UF, okay, United States, mobile number. After writing mobile number, click verify option and send code. You verifying code, and it's very easy. This was a tutorial video, and like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Good luck.